Whether you are a nurse, a healthcare professional, or someone passionate about learning and exploring new opportunities, I'm so glad you are here. In our last episode, we explored 6 incredible nursing conferences. Now it's time for episode 2, and this time around we are traveling the globe to uncover 6 more conferences to attend in Australia, Canada, USA, and the UK, plus a special spotlight on a leading orthoptist conference and an exciting public health conference in Amsterdam you don't want to miss. For those new here, my name is KLB, and on this channel we dive into job opportunities, conferences, NCLEX and IELTS tips, and of course travel advice to help you on your journey. If you are ready to level up your career, connect with amazing people, and explore exciting destinations, let's jump in. Now, the first conference we'll be looking at is in Canada, and this is the 17th World Congress on Intensive and Critical Care in Vancouver. So let's go on to our Google search bar and type in 17th World Congress on Internal Medicine and Critical Care in Canada. I think last year we did similar conference. So you go on their official website, which is showing on the screen, and straightforward, you can click register now. And this conference is scheduled to start in September 16th to the 19th of 2025, and it will be happening at Vancouver Convention Center. And if you want more information about this, you click on the About Us section here, and it will tell you what the conference is about. So basically, it's an organization in Canada which has dedicated its time and effort to organize yearly conferences for nurses in the intensive care unit, and it also cuts across all professionals. If you are a nurse, a health assistant, or if you are an emergency nurse, this conference is for you. You can take part in this conference. So to register for the conference, you have to click, and it will take you to this session where you have to put in your email and you register. So the registration is quite straightforward. Now, if you want to look at the fees involved in this conference, just scroll down here and you will see the fees. So here are the fees for physicians who are members. They are going to pay $1,250. Non-physician members are going to pay $1,600. Physicians who are members and in low income countries are going to pay $680, and the fees goes on and on. Critical nurses or a nurse is going to pay $700, and if you are a critical nurse or a nurse in a low income country, you're going to pay $440. And if you are an allied health professional or you are a nurse assistant, you are also going to pay $440 if you are coming from a low middle income country. So you have to go on, look through to see which one fits you. If you're a student, you're going to pay $250, and all these prices are in Canadian dollars. So this is quite simple. If you are ready, you click on register here, you go ahead, you register, you make payment, you get your invitation letters, and you apply as early as possible. Now, the second conference we'll be looking at is the International Orthoptic Conference, which will be happening in Australia. So go onto your Google search bar and type International Orthoptic Conference in Australia. Yes, so this is quite straightforward. You click on the link here and it will take you to the official website. So if you know someone who is an orthoptist, you just have to send this link to them so that they can go ahead and register for this conference. And if they have any issues with registration, they can send an email to this email which is showing on your screen here. So this is a very good chance for professionals who take care of our eyes and make sure that we get the right diagnosis when it comes to our vision, attend these conferences. And also, if they are looking for more events relating to orthoptics, you can go on to the event and professional development session, and this year they have only one congress, which is the International Orthoptic Congress. So if you know any orthoptics, send this link to them for them to register and attend this conference, as it's going to be very useful to their career, and it will help them to know the advanced skills that they have to use in caring for people when it comes to their vision. Now let's go on to the third congress we'll be looking at today, and this is the 17th International Family Nursing Conference. So you go onto your search bar once again and you type in 17th International Family Nursing Conference. So this conference will be happening in Australia, and it's one of the most interesting conferences that you can ever attend as a nurse, because I went through their videos and archives and I saw that most nurses have been attending. I could see nurses from South Africa, Rwanda and Nigeria. I never saw anyone from Ghana. So my Ghanaian nurses, this is a challenge for you. Try and attend one of these conferences to help you with your practice. Now, if you go onto their website, this is how it's going to look like, and you have to scroll down here to see the rates for the conferences. And it says that early members and early non-members have their rate here, which is $550 and $680 respectively. And if you are a member, you pay $675, and non-members are going to pay $760 for the late registration. And also students and people who have retired are paying $350 each if they want to attend these conferences. As I said earlier, this is one of the most interesting conferences as a nurse you have to attend. So in order to register, just click on the register now here, and it will take you to this section where you will have to click on register again, then go through the registration process. You put in your email address in there, you go on to fill your details, fill in your passport details, and make payment so that they will send you your invitation and apply for your visa as soon as possible. And there you have it. Now let's go on to our fourth conference, which is the Emergency Nurses Conference, which will be happening in September in the United States. So you go onto your Google search bar and type in Emergency Nurses Conference. Let me add USA. Now this is their website, and you see the details of the Emergency Nursing Conference, which will be happening in 2025. And the date for this conference is from the 17th to the 20th of September 2025. So we have a lot of time for us to register, get our invitation letter, apply for our visas, and attend this conference in the United States. And it will be happening in New Orleans. Yes, so it will be happening in New Orleans, which is showing below here. And if you want to register, you just have to click on the pre-register button in here and try and go through the registration process. You pay and also get your invitation letter and apply. And that's it about the Emergency Nurses Association Conference, which will be happening in USA. So guys, this is a good chance for everyone to go ahead and apply for the conference. Now the fifth conference we'll be looking at is the RCN International Nursing Research Conference, which will be happening right here in the United Kingdom. So you go onto your Google search bar and type RCN International Nursing Research Conference. All right, so this is the link, Royal College of Nursing Conference. You are going to click on this one, and when you scroll down here, you are going to see the details of the conference. It says that the RCN International Nursing Research Conference, and the theme for this conference is Transforming Global Health in a Changing World. And the date for the conference is 8th September 2025 to the 10th of September 2025. So in order to register for the conference, you have to click on book now, and it will take you to the registration panel. Now let me click it and see where it will take me. And here it will ask me to register as a new contact, or if you are already a member of RC, and if you're in UK and you have your membership or your email, you log in and it will take you to the registration process and you attend this conference. If you're in Ghana and you want to attend this conference, you can hit me up and I'll give you somewhere to stay during the entire period of the conference. And ladies will be given the first chance to stay in my apartment. All the guys should be on standby. Now the last one we'll be looking at will be happening in Amsterdam, and this conference is admitting all health professionals, whether you are a nurse, a midwife, a dietitian, a nurse assistant, a physician, a medical doctor, everyone, because this is a public health conference, and this is the 3rd International Summit on Public Health and Preventive Medicine, which will be happening in Amsterdam. So once again, you'll go onto your Google search bar and type in the 3rd International Summit on Public Health and Preventive Medicine in Amsterdam. And when it opens up like this, you're going to click on the first link, which says the 3rd International Summit, and it's going to open up like this. And this is an association for coloproctology of Great Britain and Ireland. Of course, we are not members, but we have been invited to attend these conferences, and this will be happening on the 22nd May 9 o'clock to the 24th of May 6 p.m. 2025 in Netherlands. And you have to book for the conference. So if you want to read about the conference, you have to go ahead and read all of these, which I'm not going to at the moment. And if you want to register, click on book online for this event, and it will take you to this session where it will ask you to fill out your details and make payment. Now let's look at the registration fees. And if you are a speaker, these are your fees, $749. And if you are a delegate, which most of us will be, this is $899. Postal registration is $449, and if you are a student, it's $299. And if you have someone who is accompanying you, you get a reduced fee, $249. Now these are the fees, and if you have any concerns, you just have to send them an email which is showing on your screen right here, and that will be it. So guys, this is what I brought to you today. Let me know if you have any questions or you have any concerns with regards to any of these conferences. Now let me also remind you that this year the biggest nursing conference, which I spoke about in the first episode of this nursing conference series, will be happening in June, and myself and my team will be there to take part in this year's conference. I have also done a step-by-step tutorial on how to register for this same conference, which will be showing in the description, and I'll also leave it on the screen for you. So guys, this is a chance for all nurses to navigate through all these conferences, whether you want to attend conferences in Canada, USA, Europe, Australia. I have given you all these conferences to attend. And also, if you're in Ghana or anywhere in Africa, attend the ICASA 2025, which will be happening this year in Ghana. And also know that Ghana is now visa free to most of the African countries. So whether you are in Nigeria, you don't have to worry about getting a visa. Just take your passport, fly to Ghana this December, and attend ICASA 2025. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Now let me know the type of conferences or the location, the destination, or the type of videos you want me to drop on this channel. My name is Manuel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.